Hello everyone, my name is Rani Budbawre and today's video topic is AWS. AWS means Amazon Web Service. So what is Amazon Web Service? Amazon Web Service is a subsidiary of Amazon.com, has invested builder of dollar in IT resource distributor across the global. Those resource has shared among all the AWS amount holder across the global. The amount themselves are entirely isolated from each other. AWS provide on-demand IT resource to its account holder to its account holder on a pay as you go pricing model with no upfront cost. Amazon Web Service offers flexible because you can only pay for service you user or you need. Enterprise use AWS to reduce capital capital expenditure of building their own private IT infrastructure. AWS has its own physical fiber network that connects with availability zone, region, and edges location. All the maintenance cost is also paid by the AWS that saves a fortune for the enterprise. Secured of cloud, it is responsible of AWS, but secured in a cloud is customer responsibility. Thus, performance efficiency. The in the cloud has four main areas: section, review, monitoring, and trade off. AWS it is used to project building in IT sector of AWS is a global platform compute the first create the AWS account, then compute the compute enter compute and EC2 to create the EC2 account, then create instance and instance running, then create the instance account, then create the server machine, and this server machine build the project and create the one link and share this link, share the everyone, and access the web application. AWS management console. The AWS management console is a web-based interface to access AWS. It required an AWS account and also has a smartphone application for the same purpose. So when we sign in the first time, you see the console homepage where you see all the services provide the AWS, and cost monitoring is also done through the console. AWS resource can also be accessed through various software development kit which allow the develop to create application. AWS has its backend. There are SDK for all the major language. For example, JavaScript, Python, Node.js, Net, PHP, CS, C++, etc. There are mobile SDK for Android, React, Native, Unity etc. AWS can also be assessed by making HTTP calls using AWS API.